how to get WhatsApp Meta AI. So if you want to get WhatsApp Meta AI, then I'll just take you through the process on how you can get WhatsApp Meta AI. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. After that, go with the community section, which is on the bottom. Now open any kind of community that you've created. Tap on the chat text box, which will be on the bottom, or just simply go with a group in that community and type in @Meta AI. And as you can see that the Meta AI interface appears, tap on it and then send, and the Meta AI has been activated. That's how you can get WhatsApp Meta AI. But if you are not getting the WhatsApp Meta AI, then make sure that you have updated your WhatsApp, because if you've not updated your WhatsApp, you won't get the Meta AI. It's a newest update feature. Once you've updated, you will have your WhatsApp Meta AI. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.